Yo guys, what's up? This is Samuel, and today I want to talk a little bit about a thing in music production. So, you're in this track, okay? You're pretty far, and there is kind of a schedule running back in your brain because you know what to do. But then also it's really cool to just listen to your own music, right? And that's like kind of a trap because like you can get into kind of loops where you're listening and listening and listening and not really doing what you're supposed to do. In this case, for example, I know exactly what I have to do to complete the track. It's almost done. There are some very specific elements missing in some areas, like for example some bridges basically in the middle of parts where I have to export all the track, which is a bit cumbersome. You have to export it and you have to like glitch it up. And some risers are needed in some moment and they have to be designed. I cannot just take them from a sample library. However, despite it being just like a couple of steps away from completion, I tend to end up just listening to my own work. And my tip would be to really go for your schedule. Don't get distracted by your own music or your own creation. And focus on what you have to do in the track next. I mean, it's kind of a fluid process, but then it's also both. It's half a planned and half a spontaneous process. Music production is a hell of a complicated thing, but yeah, it's definitely also that you have to plan and know what you're doing and how one element leads to the other element. And when you are on that point as a music producer, then you usually know what you need to do. So just do it. Maybe even write it down. Writing down things always helps. Anyway, just a quick thought from my way. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.